what are you doing?
Hi, I'm Feedback.
Can I join?
Yes.
Hi guys, can I join with you?
Hi.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. By the way, can I introduce myself?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
My name is Raski Ananda Putra, but you can call me Raski.
It's a good name. How do you spell that?
It's spelled Rispy, Raski.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Lutfisam, but you can call me Lutfi.
How do you spell that?
Luthfi.
Well, please, nice to meet you. I'm Lydia Sasmita, but you can call me Lydia.
How do you spell that?
Lydia.
Ah,
So, where are you from, guys?
I'm from Bone.
I'm from Goa. What about you?
I'm from Parepare.
Ah,
So Lutfi and Rusky.
yes.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is traveling
My hobby is a morning run.
What makes you like this hobby?
because I like adventure.
Of course, because I want to be a healthy. What about you?
I have two hobby. The first is playing badminton because it is good for the body,
Yes.
and the second is watching Korea drama to fill my free time.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you.
Okay.
So guys, I think I show you Bigo. It's nice to meet you guys and see you later.
Okay, goodbye,
Okay,
Lydia.
goodbye,
See you next
Lydia.
time.
See you next time and thanks.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you and see you.
Tada!